In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website in Canva and host it for free. So the first step is to simply open Canva, and then we're gonna have to click on the search bar and simply search for website. Now let me disable this. So you're gonna see something similar to this. So we're gonna have to select this one, and here we have a lot of templates that we can choose from. So as you can see, some of them are free and some of them needs a paid plan. So I'm gonna pick this one here. Now we're gonna have to simply click on customize this template. So once we do that, we're gonna get redirected here. So I'm gonna show you how to create a landing page. Now, if you want to learn how you can create more pages, such as blog pages, about us, etc., let me know in the comments. So here we can simply start editing everything like a normal Canva design. So we can basically add text. Here on the left side, we have all the tools. So we can simply click on add a text box and simply place it wherever we want. Then we can click on uploads and then simply upload an image or video. So as you can see, I have here some logos. So I can simply add all these stuffs on my website. So this will be the landing page. Now, if you want to publish this and host it for free, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on publish website in the top right corner. So right here. Now here we're gonna have, so as you can see, we can also preview it in mobile version. So as you can see here, we have different options. So this is how it's gonna look like on our computer, and then this is on mobile. Now, what we're gonna have to do is simply click on publish website, and then here we have the website URL. So we're gonna have to click on that, and here we can change the URL. So here we can add the website. So this will be our URL. Now, if you want, you can click on get a new domain, and here you can simply click on buy a new domain, or if you want, you can connect it, but you're gonna need to upgrade to Canva Pro. But here, if you want, you can buy a domain without having to pay the pro plan, and as you can see, it's gonna cost you $19 per month. So here you can simply search for the domain, and here you should have different options to choose from. So as you can see, we have .com, .net, etc. So we're gonna have to simply click on claim domain, and this will be our domain for this landing page. Now all we have to do now is simply click on publish website, and that's all we have to do. Now we can simply share this link wherever we want, and people can basically view our website. As you can see, it's right here. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.